people. So, I am actually in the back where I wanted to be yesterday. It feels so good to sit underneath this tree and just partake in the peace and serenity of it all. So, guys, do y'all have y'all's coffee or whatever? I got cranberry juice, if you guys can see. I got tart cranberry juice, tart cherry juice, the real thing. So you're gonna feel it. This ain't no ocean spray stuff, but yeah. Just a quick tea time. I was thinking about something that my youngest boy said one time. He said, "Mom," oh wait, let's back up. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, June 28th, okay? So anyway, he says, "Mom, if I do like Jesus," basically he's saying, he gets speared in the side, laid on the cross, all those things, we'd be like Jesus. And I was like, "No, son, you can't do that. You can't be like him. There's only one God. There's only one Father." So basically, I just want to say, I don't know why I woke up with that on my mind, but I just want to say, guys, the Bible says that we're supposed to trust in the Lord with all our heart and lean not to our own understanding, but in all of His ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your path. Not us thinking that we can direct our own paths, but just trusting Him in all. In all that we do. So put Him in front of everything that you might want to do in your life, and let Him direct it, and let Him take care of the rest. So that is my tea time for today. So hopefully that touched somebody. Like I said, I just thought about that he would mention that to me when he was younger, and I laughed at first, and then I was like, wow, he's really onto something, and he really took that to heart. That takes a lot of thinking to even think that you want to live and be like Jesus. That's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. But yeah, guys, so I'm going to go inside now. Y'all take a sip, though. I'm going to go inside. I seen a couple of things I need to wipe down before I leave. And then I will see you guys later to show you the updates and things that were replaced. So I'll see you guys in a little while. Day, guys, nothing spectacular, just tennis shoes, joggers, and a tank. I got like a throw over for work for my arms and stuff. But guys, it is hot and humid outside, so go and check on the elderly, okay? It's like 88 degrees here. It is really, really hot. So guys, with that being said, I will see you guys later. Remember, love yourself so you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Oh yeah, I had to just wipe some stuff down because the kids had their fingers all over stuff they weren't supposed to be touching, I think. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Whew. First I'm gonna say, well, I'm back home after this morning. It's almost going on 6 o'clock. But anyway, I want to give a shout out to Danny. I met you over the weekend. I think it was on Sunday. No, it was Saturday. I met you Saturday, you and your son. So keep doing your great things that you're doing. Yeah, nice person, nice guy that I met. So anyway, guys, let me hurry up so we can get on with this video, because after this video, I'm gonna try to sit on the deck for a little while, get my thoughts together and all that good stuff, and then I think I'm gonna take me a walk to some areas in my neighborhood where there is some water or something. So I'm gonna show y'all that. So when the video's over, don't click off the video. Watch the video to the end. But anyway, on my way home, I stopped at Walmart, which was nearby me, and I had to get 2 of these because that's the only Walmart that I know that sells vegan mayo. So I got 2 of them, hoping that I can use them before the due date, which is, one is the 21st this year, 22nd. So y'all know I do a lot of, on my vegan channel, Simply Black Vegan, hint, hint. Go over and check me out. Sometimes I do chickpea tuna fish, which is tuna fish made out of chickpeas. That's our tuna fish for vegans. But I love this. $3.77 if you guys on this channel follow me. $3.77 at Walmart, some of them. So you have to Google it and find out which one has it. But I went on and got 2 because if I can't, for some reason, don't have it, a ride there, so anything can happen, then I have it already. I also got some, I'm thirsty, y'all. I got some value size Cascadian Farms organic frosted flakes. These are vegan, and these were $4 and some change, which was a good price. So I got these as well. And I also picked up some White House Renew organic apple cider vinegar. I'm about to start drinking my vinegar again. I don't have any more vinegar pills, but I will do this. But I got one I have to empty before that. So I got those. And then I stopped at Whole Foods that was down the road from there. So y'all know she gotta have her something sometimes. But anyway, I picked up 2 things of organic maple and onion baked beans, and they are vegan, and they were on sale for $1.29. So I got both of these because I do plan to barbecue one day this week. I got hot dogs, Bio Life hot dogs or something like that. I think I showed y'all in another video, but yeah, this ain't the vegan channel. Go over to Simply Black Vegan, okay? This ain't it, but I'm just showing y'all. So I got me some beans. And the reason why I picked these up, because instead of me buying a big can of vegetarian beans, I can use 1 can is enough, okay? Instead of having to put it up. And then I got me some more vegan chocolate chip cookies, y'all. Yes, she did. These are small ones. So yeah, that's what I picked up today. And I also picked up this Nixie sparkling soda from, and it's organic. I got this from Whole Foods, and it was like on sale for 69 cents. But watermelon and mint, that's what it was. So that's what I got. So y'all ready to see what she got? What she I ain't been stalling, but I just was gonna show y'all. I wasn't gonna show y'all right now, but we're gonna start from the back, and then she gonna have to go. Oh my gosh, she's gonna have to really go. This video is like, we on 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. But let me show y'all really quick what else I found. Right here, I think I had told y'all I was looking for me a bench for not that much, and I did score that. I found that, and y'all already know where it came from. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the paper off, but that's how much it was. Yep, it's linen. It has the tufted legs, and I love that. I can sit down on it. And it has the brown legs like the rest of the furniture. And the reason why I picked this is because it does go with the chairs, and I can move this anywhere I want. But now it's going to stay here for a long time because I can sit down like I was earlier, and I can put my shoes on. See? See? So yeah, I got that. And hold the line, please. Let's go check on some more. Bam, in your face, y'all. Look at that. A new light fixture. Yeah, y'all, she's so pretty and so bright. I'll show you. She's super, super bright. But yeah, guys, this is so, so pretty to me. So yeah, we did a switcheroo in here. So that's what that looks like. I love it. That is the other light. Now y'all can see it more better in the bathroom. It's so pretty. Look at her. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, hold on. Got a new diffuser in the grown people's room. If y'all can see it, it's all white. And we have the mist that comes out straight ahead. I don't know if you guys can see it coming out, but have that new. It changes colors. And I love the fact that it's minimalist looking. It's white. And yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it's it holds a little bit more larger water capacity. Last but not least, y'all, we got us a new rug, a black Safavieh beautiful rug here. Let me close the door so you guys can really see it. It's so pretty, so pretty. Can y'all see that? Safavieh, $20. This is it if you want to know. It is wool. Hold on, y'all. Hold on one second. Okay, so this is if you want to know the specs of it. It is wool, and this is the name of the Himalaya Safavieh. It is a, where's the size 8x8. This was $182. Y'all already know she did not pay $182 for her, but she is so, so pretty, and she looks really good in the space, y'all. So pretty. So it's too light in here right now, but there you go. That's what she looks like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite thing. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and chill and do grown lady business. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, check out the rest of the video. Bye, y'all.